Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. So today's video, we are going to talk about the maintenance of the boho braids. So obviously, like, this is going to be the look for the summer. Everybody was in the shop getting these braids today. I was getting them, and they are truly a really cute look, but they do require some maintenance and some work. So I am going to walk you all through my routine of what I've been doing for these last couple of weeks to be able to maintain my curls and my look. And hopefully you can adopt something similar to work for you. So first things first, I got my hair done. So I live in the DMV, but I got my hair done when I was in Michigan from this shop. I will leave their information below. I paid $250. I did bring my own human hair bundles, which I purchased at my local beauty supply. I think they were like $45-50 a piece. And then the braiding salon that I got my hair done supplied that braiding hair. So when you look at my hair, all of the curls are going to be that bundle hair, but the bottom is actually just the braiding hair curl. That's what they did at the salon for me. So all of this hair, it's a lot to maintain. It's a lot of curls. I think within each one of my braids, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 strands of the bundle hair. If not 5, actually. I think there's only 5 because I have one all the way up here. So yeah, I have like 4 or 5 strands out of each braid. So that's just a lot of hair. And it can tangle. So if you're going to get a style, especially if you're getting like super boho that I have, definitely get human hair. So first off, whenever I'm working out at night, when I'm sleeping, if I'm just chilling around the house, laying on a couch or something, I go ahead and do 2 big braids to protect my hair. So this just helps to cut down on the amount of tangling with the curls in general. So this is kind of like my go-to when I'm around my house or in the gym. As I begin to show you all my boho maintenance process, just keep in mind this full routine I only do maybe every 3, 4, 5 days. It's not something that I need to do daily. The only thing that I do daily is spray it with water. So whenever I take my braids out, I'll grab my spray bottle, spray it. That one helps to detangle, and 2, it also helps to just kind of bring those curls back because they have been braided up for several hours at this point. For detangling, I'm literally just running my fingers through it, separate any of those curls that might be tangling. And that's really it. I haven't had a ton of tangling. I do have a really good brand of hair. I had never actually used this hair before, so I was kind of experimenting with that as well. But everything has just been going really smooth. And as you can see, I'm able to kind of run my fingers through and pull out those kinks. So next I like to apply some oil. So I'm using the Fructis Garnier. I actually use this on like my wet and wavy kind of wigs to help bring back my curls. So I figured it would work here just to kind of keep that hair moisturized and well oiled. I think that kind of helps to minimize the tangling. Again, definitely not something I need to do on a daily basis, but every few days or so, I like to apply that. And I think it also kind of gives it a little bit of shine as well. I have also been spraying my hair with black castor oil. So I really prefer this for my scalp itself to cut down on the flaking and itching. I think it's pretty effective for that. But I will go ahead and spray the actual curls with this as well, but not too much because I don't want it to become too heavy in addition to the other oil that I showed you. So lastly, I just go ahead and mousse down the hair to kind of lock in this look. So when you get your hair braided in the shop, they definitely mousse you down a ton. I don't use that much mousse for my regular maintenance, but I will do a few squirts and just kind of spread that out pretty evenly there. So that is the last product that I use. So my hair is not wet, it's maybe a little bit damp, but as those products continue to dry and set in, you'll see the definition come back in. So I went ahead and repeated the process on the other side using literally the same steps. And as the hair is drying a little bit from the product and all of the water that I put on it, you can see how those curls are defining and literally like no tangle. So I am, like I said, I'm at 2 weeks with this hair and we ain't showing no signs of slowing down. So Definitely a good hair brand, and also definitely a good regimen.